I'm here in now Nongpo, the passenger. Now for COVID restrictions, Meghalaya is very strict for tourists. Like if you are from any other state, you have to register yourself with the app. You have to download from the Play Store, I think Meghalaya Tourist app karke, and then you have to give your details along with your ID card, and then you have to give all the details, where are you going, the address, and also when, like, for how many duration of your stay, everything you have to give in details. Then only they will give you pass. Then with that we have to enter Meghalaya. But in my case, I could not even download that app at that moment, and then my drivers and all the passengers, they were getting late, and then the driver just told me to come. I was like, I even could not register, I did not get e-card, but he told me to just come along, and then if he just asked me if I have COVID second dose COVID certificate. So I said yes, I have the COVID second dose. So he just told me it's okay, you can come. Pata nahi mera kya hone wala hai. I'm just here now in Nongpo. I don't know where they'll like let me in or not. Just in a risk now. Hello everyone, I'm in Shillong now. I just entered Shillong. It's so good to travel alone. Time. The jam is too long. Shillong is always traffic jam, I see. I'll get down in civil. This is North Front. I just reached civil now. My friend came to pick me. Hi. Hi, kid. No. Yeah, that teenage age. Teenage over with that age, na?
This is famous bazaar in Shillong, which is also known as PB, or you can call it Police Bazaar. Soup with momo is very tasty here in Limekra, in the street.
Just like the style of Shillong, just tiny, cute.
This is the famous cathedral of Shillong in between Dankiti and Limekra. This is a church which is built by British. It's very beautiful. One must visit. Now I'm moving back to Guwahati from Shillong, and it costs like 300 rupees by sumo, and if you come by small car it costs like 500, I think. Yeah, 500.
I'm here in Khanapara now, walking towards this veterinary hospital. I don't know where else to cross this road also. I just reached Khanapara and I'm waiting for my friend. He'll come to pick me. Hello, welcome to my channel. Say hi. Tell hi. Again, even in Guwahati. Even in Guwahati we are together. और हम लोग अभी गुवाहाटी में हैं. And we're going to street style store. So दिखाएंगे. Keep watching my video. हाँ यही है स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर का दुकान. कहाँ से एंट्री होता है? I just reached स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर. यही है.
the bus now.
मेरा तो मूड खराब है.
मूड काला हो गया.
मूड खराब.
मूड खराब क्यों?
ऐसे ये बोला नहीं जा सकता यहाँ पे.
ठीक है भाई. We're going heading towards somewhere, I don't know.
वो वाला कपड़ा वो टॉप ले नहीं पाए.
It's okay now, we can order online.
इतना सुंदर है. पहनने से और भी ज्यादा सुंदर लगती है.
ठीक है भाई. We'll order again. अच्छा मैं now we're in the bus heading towards somewhere.
अभी जाने वाले हैं हम. हमने इतना सारा शॉपिंग कर लिया कि घर जाने के लिए पैसा नहीं बचा.
और मैं कल जा रही हूँ घर पे. ठीक है भाई, चलती हूँ.
बाय. मैं भी जा रही हूँ. राइट.
So tomorrow we are going home. We'll miss you Guwahati. See you next time again. यही से जर्नी खत्म.